What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you, in my opinion, the quickest way to make a balloon garland, and I hope you guys enjoy. So here I have the 260 cube in the fishing line. Now, some people like to use the 260 cubes to make their balloon garland. However, if you are trying to make a quick balloon garland, I prefer to use the fishing line because you do not have to continuously tie anything together. All thing you have to do is tie that first knot and then just lay your quads on top of each other one by one. Take your fishing line up, down, and around and pull. Add your next quad up, down, around, and pull, and your balloon garland will be finished before you know it.